Here at the bottom left corner you will see the original photo, and this is your AI generated six-pack photo. Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how you can create your AI generated six-pack photo with your mobile. Yes, you can create your six-pack abs photo with artificial intelligence. Let's do this. Open Play Store and search Toon Me cartoons from photos. Install this app on your phone and open. I have already downloaded this. You will find this kind of user interface on this app. You can do many things on it. If you want something more with this app, I will give you the tutorial of making this. Okay, to make a six-pack AI generated photo, click on the three vertical lines from top left corner, and from here select Barbie Fly. In Barbie Fly, tap on choose photo and then select your photo. You can crop it a little bit if you want. Then tap the arrow button from the top right corner and wait. AI is looking for a stunning look for you. You will be amazed with showing the result. While it's generating, please subscribe the channel to get this kind of videos regularly. Here you can see the result. Here at the bottom left corner you will see the original photo, and this is your AI generated six-pack photo. Tap save from the bottom right corner and it will saved in your gallery. Friend, it was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a like and share this video to your friends and community. Subscribe the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching. Let's click on the next button. Let's see what AI can do with us. Changes the hair color. Let's tap the next. You can go through all of these